This video is in collaboration with the beautiful Ashley Dion here on YouTube. She posts makeup tutorials and also client makeup tutorials on her channel. So check her out if you're in her area and you need your makeup done. Also, I'm loving her natural hair. What do you guys think? She's just beautiful, right? Go to her channel and check out her video. I will link it down below in the description box. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tiffany, and today I'm going to show you how to get this makeup look. I did a little soft beat, a little baby glam for y'all. I know a lot of my previous looks have been really colorful, really bold, so I wanted to switch up the tempo for you guys. So I wanted to do this one for all you neutral girls out there, you soft glam gals. And I know for some of you this look is still going to be a little too extra, but that's okay, because I think you'll enjoy it anyway. All right, let's get this soft beat popping. If you want to see how to get this look, then please keep watching. For my first transition color, I'm going to go in with Brown Script by MAC. I'm going to apply that to my upper crease. I'm going to focus the color mainly on the outer part of the eye. I'm not going to bring a lot of color here to the inner portion. For my second crease color, I'm going to go in with Swiss Chocolate by MAC. I'm going to use that same technique. I'm going to place most of the color here on the outer portion of the eye. And then with whatever is left on my brush, I'll bring it towards the inner corner. To blend all of that together, I'm going to go back in with my first brush with a little bit more Brown Script on it. You want to make sure you are focusing the color on the outer V, or else the look will get pretty dramatic, and I want to keep it a light, soft glam today. To deepen up the outer V, I'm going to go in with Embark. This one is also by MAC. I'm going to take that on a pencil brush and place it right below Swiss Chocolate. To help blend it out, I'm going to go back in with my second brush and a little bit of Swiss Chocolate and blend it all together. For the lid color, I'm going to use this pigment by MAC called English Gilt. I'm going to put a little bit of MAC's mixing medium on the back of my hand. I know I'm using everything MAC today, but this is not a sponsored video. I wish it was. I'm going to pick up the mixing medium with a flat brush and apply it directly to my lid. And I'm going to pick up the pigment and apply it to the lid. To blend out the edge, I'm going to add some of that dark brown shadow. I'm going to use NYX liquid liner to add my wing. Before adding my lashes, I'm going to go in with mascara. This is Benefit's Bad Gal Bang Mascara. For brow bone highlight, I'm going to go in with MAC's Vanilla Pigment. I'm also going to use that to highlight my inner corner. For lashes, I'm going to use my favorite Kim Tai Lion-Hearted Lashes by Cake Face Beauty. Moving on to skin, I'm going to prep my skin with Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. For primer, I'm going to use Dr. Brandt's Pores No More. For foundation, I'm going to go in with Makeup Forever's Ultra HD foundation in the color Y445. I know y'all are probably like, girl, why are you using a mini size of everything? I can't help it, it's so cute. Gonna blend that in with my damp beauty blender, of course. For concealer, I'm gonna go in with Tarte Tape Shape in the color Tan. To set that in place, I'm going to go in with Sephora's Mattifying Powder Foundation in the color Golden Fawn. For some double coverage, I'm going to set all of my highlighted areas with Cover FX Loose Setting Powder in the color Medium. Gonna dust the excess powder away. I'm gonna let the powder around my nose bake some. I'm gonna set the rest of my face with Sephora's Micro Smooth Powder in the color Hazelnut. I'm gonna contour using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. I'm gonna mix all 3 shades. I'm also gonna contour my temples and forehead. To finish up the lower lash line, I'm going to go back in with Swiss Chocolate. I'm going to take a little bit of that dark brown shade and add it just to the outer corner here. For the waterline, I'm going to go in with a black eye kohl. For highlighter, I'm going to use an old favorite. This is the Pro Light Fusion by Makeup Forever in the color number 2. Gonna highlight the tip of my nose as well, and a little down the bridge of my nose. Oh, I forgot to bronze. I'm gonna go in with my CoverGirl Queen Bronzer and place it right in between the contour and the highlight. For blush, I'm gonna mix these two. I also added some highlighter to my Cupid's bow. I'm gonna go in with Cork Lip Liner by MAC. For lips, I'm gonna go in with the new Ellery and ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in the color Netta. Gonna finish everything up with some Fix Plus. Alright, that completes this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. You know what to do if you did. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also share my content with your friends. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. I will link all of those down below in the description box. I want to thank you all so much for watching, and until my next one, bye!